When you look at a tree, it's easy to see it as an individual object that's separate from its surroundings, but we can't rely on this view. This is because it's actually hard to identify where a tree begins and ends. What seems to be a tree's edges can actually be permeable. For example, liquids, gases, creatures, chemicals, pathogens, electrical signals and more are constantly crossing what we see as the physical edges of a tree. Because of this, they aren't actually separate from what surrounds them. They're in constant change. So rather than seeing a tree as an object, it could help to think of one as a confluence of flows that are turning sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and nutrients into living matter. And yes, these flows and processes that constitute trees are biological, chemical, physical, etc., but are also social, cultural and economic. Humans plant and move trees, graft bits on, crossbreed them and cut bits off. We associate cultural meaning with certain species and dictate how and where trees grow according to a constantly changing value system. It's easy to forget that almost all trees have been affected by humans in some way, and all humans have been affected by trees. They're an inseparable part of our existence. We literally breathe them in. They're the houses we live in, the furniture we sit on. Trees form and are formed by the world we need to exist. Ultimately, it's not simple to define what a tree is, but we're starting to understand there's more to think about than meets the eye. So as our understanding changes, as tree radicals, we think about how we should actually interact with what we call trees and the decisions we make as we do.